Hey, all you next level folks. Sean Eiferman here with your next nugget. And today's is about insurance. Very exciting topic. I know, but it is a necessary evil for all of us, for our cars, for health, for all of that stuff. And so I want to sort of get right to the nugget, pun intended, of what we need for insurance as musicians, as entertainers, with equipment, with liability. I had an interesting thing pop up. A drummer friend of mine actually sent me an email recently. Had been playing at the Hard Rock here in Las Vegas for a fairly long time, and then all of a sudden was handed this like requirement list of stuff for insurance needs. It was a $2 million liability thing in this direction, and a pyrotechnic clause on this end if you blow anything up, and equipment stuff, and all this stuff that needed to be under the umbrella of an insurance policy. And he didn't know how to deal with that. He had no idea what to do. So he asked me. And so picking my brain in that moment, I went ahead and found three really good solutions. One of them I've been using all these years, which is just straight up with Farmers. Jeff Venuto, I'll give him a shout out, with Farmers Insurance, has been taking care of me for almost 20 years. Find yourself a good insurance agent. You don't have to use my guy. But Jeff, big shout out. You've done me right over the years, brother. But the policies will probably change because the requirements are probably different. So I've given three different options somewhere in the text here. Check out whichever one is best for you. Here's the nugget. Here's the rub. Here's the great thing about this. The most expensive policy that I could find that handles all the requirements for the Hard Rock Cafe in Las Vegas, Nevada, and those requirements were pretty high, I think was $600 and something for the year, for the whole year. So what is that? 50, 60 bucks probably between the three. 50, 60 bucks covers all your equipment, anything you're gonna blow up with pyrotechnics if you're one of those type of people. Look, this was the joke, the conversation with my buddy John, the drummer, which was, look, some drunk guy at your gig stumbles up on stage, falls onto your drum set, impales himself, and dies this horrible death on your stage, on your drum kit. How are you covered? That's really what the Hard Rock's worried about and what any other venues might be worried about. These policies are out there. Insurance agents and brokers and companies would love to add this policy to your existing policies. Get insured. I'm telling you, between all of the stuff that could happen, between somebody stealing some of your gear, something getting broken, any of these other variables, I hate to say it, like I said earlier, it's sort of a necessary evil. Get yourself insured is my nugget for today. If you're gonna be a professional musician and treat this like a business, you have to have coverage. So check out the three options that I posted somewhere, wherever in the text version of this, and get yourself some coverage. That is my nugget for the day. Take care.